In this video, I'm sharing 5 Home Assistant automations that have genuinely made my life easier, more convenient, and even more secure. These aren't gimmicks or overly complex to set up, they're just practical systems that I run quietly in the background and have made my life a bit easier. So if you're looking to build a smart home with Home Assistant and looking for some inspiration, maybe these will help. The first one on my list is zones in Home Assistant. This is one of my favourite automations because it's so simple and so powerful. When I leave my home, motion detection comes on automatically on my doorbell and on my back garden cameras, which are blink. I get a notification on my phone saying that I've exited the home zone and that motion detection has been turned on. When I return home, motion detection turns off automatically. This means I don't accidentally start triggering alerts and I don't have to remember to turn it off. The next one is really simple but really useful. It's the downstairs bathroom light. This is just a door sensor with a smart bulb. And basically when you open the door, the sensor turns the light on for 10 minutes and then turns it off. This was a real problem because we were constantly forgetting to turn this light off. So this genuinely solves a real problem that we had. This next one I've nicknamed the Goodnight button, which is just an IKEA button. So it's an IKEA Zigbee button. And to be honest with you, sometimes the best automations are the simplest ones. So this automation just turns off everything. So you press the button and everything shuts down. So it turns off the TVs if they're on, turns off all the lights, turns off everything. This is the automation in Home Assistant. Basically when the button is pressed, switch off all of these things. So this one sounds simple, but it took a bit of effort. I basically wanted when my doorbell is pressed for an announcement on my HomePods to let me know that the doorbell has been pressed. My doorbell doesn't expose the press event directly in Home Assistant, so I had to build a bit of a workaround. The doorbell is made by Tapo, and using the Tapo app, I was able to set up an automation so when the doorbell is pressed, the Tapo socket turns on, which happens to be connected to a lamp. This socket is exposed through Home Assistant, so using this event I could say when the lamp is turned on, set the volume of the media players, and then make an announcement on all the media players. So now when somebody presses the doorbell,
someone is at the doorbell. Someone is at the doorbell.
This last one is really simple, but it's also really useful and really reliable. It's automating the porch light entrance with a motion sensor. This automation means no more fumbling for your keys in the dark. It's really easy to set up and it just feels natural once you have it done. If you have any questions about these automations or you'd like to see a video with more details on a particular one, just leave a comment and I'd be more than happy to make one. Anyway, that's some of my favourite automations that I've set up. If you found this useful and you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.